Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host James, and today it's a long weekend ahead, right? If you're watching this Friday, May 19th, then you're like me. It's a long weekend here in Canada. We're in Ontario, and we're looking at the Princess Margaret Cottage Lottery Summer 2023. Yeah. And this so far, it looks pretty great. This is a great room. And everyone's going to their cottage except me and maybe you. That's why you're here looking at this, wishing that we can win a cottage this time, right? This is our year, this summer 2023. Let's go up to the Muskokas. Let's meet Steven Spielberg. He's got a cottage up there. You know, Goldie Hawn, I think, Tom Hanks. They're all chilling up there this weekend, I'm sure. David Beckham kicking around the beach ball or something. I just don't see Posh Spice being up here loving it. You know, as soon as she goes outside, she's going to get a mosquito bite. She's going to freak out. You know, David's going to say, come on, just hang out. No. And she's going to be like, no way. I just want to be, right? So anyway, she'll head back to LA or whatever. But anyway, for the rest of us, we love this kind of stuff. And that's why we're here. Princess Margaret, we can win a cottage. Hopefully this is the year one of us wins this cottage. And look at this great room. It looks pretty great to me. It looks like a kitchen, but they call it a great room. I'm not sure which part of this is the great room, but it looks great to me. I love the scenery, like the windows. Holy, they're so huge. I love this so far. I haven't even seen it yet. I'm just going through it with you guys. Let's go next. Great room. Okay, so this is a great room. All right, so that other part was maybe more of the kitchen. Yeah, with the bar stools. Next up, great room. And looks pretty modern to me, very neutral. But look at the scene out here. It looks like cliffs or something. Looks like a mountain out there. Definitely cliffs. I think this is a cliffy area of Muskokas. We're talking about Oxbow Lake. Some great fishing. This is another side of the great room. I like the corner couch. Very cozy. Again, very neutral colors. Actually, no colors, just neutral, right? Colorless. And then here you have, I wish they made this fridge hidden. I mean, it's almost there, but it's still quite nice. It doesn't look like a shiny stainless steel, which I kind of think is kind of cool. Maybe it's just a picture, but I like that. I kind of like that a lot. Let's keep going. Principal room, bedroom, very nice. I like the green. It's very mossy, kind of like you're in an ocean scene, but you're in the lake style. I like it, though. I like it. Family room, very cozy. I like these kind of chairs. It reminds me of a Muskoka chair I'm sitting on right now as I'm recording this. The couch is very good. This is the lower level. Again, very, very soft tones going on here. And you can invite Tom Hanks over. Family room. Okay. You can do a lot down here. I would recommend maybe some games or something. There's a lot of space here that you can do a lot with. TV, I don't know, something can be added down here. Okay. Beautiful views, though, and most of the stuff's going to be happening outside. Bedroom 2. Looks like great views of the lake from bedroom 2. Again, I kind of like the side tables of the bedroom, and the lamps are nice. Here's bedroom 3. Again, you got that mint kind of green going on. Oh, that's interesting. That looks like a high window, but at first I thought it was a picture, but it looks like a window. Very cool. You'll probably get little birds waking you up here, like little woodpeckers pecking on that glass and like trying to wake you up, get you outside. Get out of bed. There we go. So this is a $2.5 million grand prize. I should have started with that probably, right? $100,000 in cash you get as well. So that really helps. You can buy maybe a little Sea-Doo or something. Kick around, have some more fun out there. And again, this is Muskoka, where all the celebrities hang out. This is Oxbow Lake, where you can do some good fishing. Looks like to be rugged cliffs outside your window. Beautiful clear lake. 3 bedrooms in this prize, 2 bathrooms, over 2,069 square feet. That's a naughty cottage. And it includes a dock and it's a year-round road access. So this is a year-round. It's you can go in there in the winter if you want, but it's mainly for the summer and the fall. And man, just enjoy it. Well, I hope you win, and or I hope I win. I'll invite maybe some of you over for a barbecue. All right. Anyways, this is called the Hamptons of the North. So all the Americans call this the Hamptons of the North. You got a lot of celebrities out in this area. There's also Muskoka murders, so you can Google that. That's kind of spooky. But you can have a lot of stories out here. And, it doesn't matter if you'll see a celebrity or a dead person. It's just a cool, cool place to be. I wish you all the luck. Get your tickets before they sell out. I don't get any commissions or anything from this, but I do hope you subscribe and hit a like, maybe a comment. Let me know what you think of this preview of the Muskoka Cottage. Grand prize. Talk to you soon.